now we are at BEZZERA stand and we are ready to show you a new coffee machine that BEZZERA turned out. It will be very interesting and the explanation of the machine will be given from Luca BEZZERA.
So, let me introduce our new double boiler espresso coffee machine. We are presenting the Matrix model and the Duo model. The biggest difference in between these two espresso coffee machines is the group. Matrix have a Faema 61 group that is heated by a thermosiphonic system, and the Duo espresso coffee machine is heated by a cartridge heating element into the group. So this part of the coffee machine is heated by cartridge heating element. The cartridge heating element are set by a PID thermostat. In this case, is the water. With this model, is the water coming from the coffee boiler that heat up the group. Those are the main difference of these two models. The other features are the same, so both machines have one boiler for coffee and one boiler for steam and water, driven by a PID thermostat. The machine is settable by a touch display. Here you can see on the right side the temperature regulation for water and steam boiler. On the left side you can see the temperature regulation for the coffee boiler. You can set the pre-infusion, so you can basically set a delay of the pump starting of how many seconds you like. You can choose a priority of the boiler, so in case both boilers are below the set point, you can give the priority which boiler you want to heat up before. On the other side we have in the setting menu, you can choose different languages, unit Celsius or Fahrenheit, LED body RGB. In this configuration the machine can change body color by choosing the different RGB setting. We have a sensor calibration because the level of water in the water tank is kept by an electronic sensor. We have an alarm for maintenance for a water filter, so you can basically set the amount of coffee after which you will display a pop-up that reminds you to make a service to the machine, and a certain amount of day after which you have to regenerate the resin of your water filter or change the cartridge of the water filter. Water source. You can choose if the machine will be plugged to the main water supply or will be supplied through the water reservoir that we have in the coffee machine. All the coffee machines have both options. Date and time, you can program daily, switch on and switch off of the coffee machine. Last but not least, we have a cleaning program by which you can choose fast cleaning cycle. That means that the cycle is performed 5 times, or slow cleaning cycle. That means that the cleaning cycle will be done 10 times. So in this case with the E61 group you will have the instruction on how to clean the machine, and starting Starting the button, the machine will do the cycle by itself. So the other news that we presented at the exhibition are the wooden kit. These two models, as at the top of our semi-professional range, will be supplied already with wooden handle, and so they will be standard with wooden handle on the filter holder and on the group. Of the duo machine, we have a volumetric system that allows to program for different doors through a volumetric counter, and that's the main difference. Also, the main difference between the Matrix and the Duo model.